this, that, this, that. Yo, 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 yo. What up, what up? Another awesome day. I'm in the computer room just doing my editing for the videos of the first vid that we had for the GROM. And doorbell rang. It was FedEx. I got my Olin shock earlier this morning. Again, this is the old shock, as we know. Not completely non-adjustable. The shock that I picked up is Olin's. I got it from the website Hard Racing. I've ordered stuff from them before, and they're a great company. And what they do is once you order it, you put in your ride height, or not your ride height, your weight, and with all your gear, and they will customize the shock for your suspension for your weight for you right at their place. So as soon as you get it, you slap it right in your bike and you're ready to rip. But it's exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this here. Another little box reveal. Not sure what happened to my knives. But make a bunch of holes with my pick. It should be easier to open. There we go. Yeah. Come on. Yep. Up. Oh. Alright. I regret doing that because now I got gooky on my my pit. Alright. Oh, that's awesome. That is so cool. All right. Well, paperwork. This, that. Get rid of that. All right, what do we got here? Be sure to watch our videos on YouTube, Hard Racing. All right. More tape, yeah. You got your shock adjusting tool. Hope they got some stickers in here, that'd be dope. Put it on my parts cart. Put it on my parts cart. So you got your adjustable wrenching, paperwork, adjustments, all the languages. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, there's double sides. Oh, dude, that's so cool. Black and white, we're gonna, you know, that works perfect for the GROM and some of the yellow and the gold. Get that classic Olin's logo look. Here's your owner's manuals. That's cool. Alright. I'm totally pumped. That gets me excited. I like the extra stuff. Hey, for 500 bucks, you would want to hope you get something a little extra. Throw it in there. That's cool. I may not even put them on the ground because I like the simplistic look. You know, I already debadged it, took all the stuff off, the warning labels and all that, because, you know, you don't need that. It looks way better. Looks way better when it's stamped in there. Just looks cleaner in my opinion, but to each his own. All right. Oh, yes. That is awesome. That is so cool, man. I bought it for this, to be honestly, the nitrogen gas that's in the tank, because the tank's gold. That's really why I purchased this. This is gonna look cool with the GROM, the gold. But here you go. Completely adjustable, not adjustable at all. Look at the size of the coil, the spring. That is so awesome. It's heavy duty. Heavy duty. Oh. Well, I just wanted to show you that. Oh, the other night too, I cooked I baked the rear swing arm. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab it. Check this out. Look how sick this came out, man. It's absolutely perfect. Look at that. Clean powder coat, better than paint. So cool, man. The high black gloss on that finish is perfect. It is smooth. Absolutely gorgeous. And the best part is I did it, you know? When you do your own work, something to be real proud of. So the bushings got pushed out just a little bit, but they're still pretty secure and they look to be intact. Also can be the uncoated paint, but either way, I love it. And what we'll do, if there's an issue, we'll finagle the piece right through. It should go through no problem. We'll wiggle it. We'll jam it in there if we have to, but that is so cool. Perfect. Came out fantastic. That is so awesome. Well, now that we got the shock and the swing arm, we'll put the shock on, reattach the swing arm, and put the pieces back together. Then we'll install the dual pipe exhaust. And this part of this section of the build is going to be done. I really like that a lot. I'm totally excited for that. I can't wait to move forward. Not much else to say, but I'll see you soon. Deuce.